Kung may nararamdaman ka na parang mayroong problema na dapat ayusin, praise God. God is telling you, huwag ka na magreklamo. Ayusin mo. Do it now. Don't wait for somebody else to do it. I'm showing it to you, gawin mo. Don't look at the problem. Solve it. Because have I not sent you? Di ba? Wala man lang nagtuturo sa amin maayos. Yung nagtuturo sa amin, mali-mali tinuturo. Di ikaw magturo. Help them. Na hindi ka nagmamalaki, but you're helping and trying to solve the problem instead of emphasizing and magnifying the problem instead of God. Remember, the Lord is with you. Ang nais ng Diyos is ma-magnify si God, hindi yung sitwasyon, hindi yung problema. Katulad ni David, hindi niya nakita yung laki ni Goliath, ang nakita niya yung kadakilaan ng Diyos na inaalipusta ni Goliath. Ganon din tayo. Bakit ganon? May lagayan sa ganitong ahensya ng gobyerno. May lagayan dito. Nagninegosyo ka? Din ikaw ang tumayo. Be the first one to make a stand. The Lord is with you. Lord, baka magsara yung kumpanya ko. The Lord is with you. Mawala man yung kumpanya mo, hindi ako nawala sa'yo. And I will sustain you. I will protect you. I will provide for you. And I will keep you alive until your mission is done.